just trying to get those epic shots, and once again, not too bad. Yeah, we had a little radiator hose mishap, so I can't get you the beauty shots, but there you go, guys. We finally got some decent weather. Got the F100 out. This thing's way too much fun. It's fun, yes. It's fun. All right, guys, so there you go. Lots more coming for the F100. Again, every time we take it out, brand new build, everything's been changed. Have a little issue pop up. Nothing crazy, obviously, this time, but hey, it happens. It's a new build. It's got bugs. That's just how it is. So guys, I hope you enjoy the F100 content. We're trying to keep that rolling as well. And if you guys have an F100, if you're here for the F100s, make sure you're at Ford Takeover this June. It's going to be freaking epic. And that's what I got for you guys. Catch you on the next one.